The Board of Registration of Architects and Quantity Surveyors is one of the regulators in the built environment in Kenya, in charge of regulating architects and quantity surveyors. It examines them, it trains them, it registers and gives them practicing license. Welcome to this episode on client education. I'm architect Oliver Oduor, and today we talk about the regulators in the built environment in Kenya. They include the National Construction Authority, the Board of Registration of Quantity Surveyors and Architects, the Engineers Board of Kenya, the Directorate of Occupational Health and Safety, the National Environment Management Authority. Then we have the county governments and the Ministry of Lands, Public Works, Housing and Urban Development. Each of these bodies has a specific mandate, but among them is regulation concerning safety, others deal with professionals, others deal with approvals, others deal with contractors, and some deal with the environment. And so the National Construction Authority licenses and registers contractors. Then they make sure there is compliance, and they're the major watchdog for the industry as far as contractors and construction workers and such supervisors are concerned. Then the Engineers Board of Kenya is in charge of training, registering and licensing professional civil and structural engineers. Then we have the National Environment Management Authority, which is the environment regulator, ensuring compliance on matters surrounding the environment. Then we have the Directorate of Occupational Safety and Health, in charge of workplace safety regulation. Then we have the county governments, which do the building permitting and approvals. Then we have the Ministry of Lands, Housing, Public Works, Urban Development, which is a regulator or an oversight and policy body which oversees bodies like BORAX and the NCA. Then we have the Kenya Bureau of Standards, which is in charge of material quality evaluation and certifying. So the building industry is multi-regulated, meaning compliance requires approval from different bodies, and each body at each stage, there are given bodies at each stage. So there are bodies that you deal with at the design stage, like the BORAX and EBK. There are those you deal with at construction stage, which is NCA, and there are also those that are oversight, like the Public Works Ministry. There are those dealing with materials and the environment and things like that. And so for you as a client, it is important to use registered architects and quantity surveyors and engineers, or rather registered professionals for your projects. It's important to register your project with NCA, and it's important to comply with all these bodies to ensure a smooth running of your project from A to Z. Thank you, and let me know what questions you may have as a client, and perhaps it could be our next episode. See you in the next one. Bye.